Okay, so here's my day. It's God, half my shift is over, and I'm having a really bad day. So I've been on a register for the whole first half of my shift, which really sucks. But so this whole coronavirus thing is absolutely ridiculous. It's all anybody wants to talk about. So here I am talking about it too. So yes, I live in Texas. It's hot, right? There's a little tiny fan at every one of the registers to blow on us as we're bringing people up because it's really hot. Well, and I see I have all these little fuzzy hairs and whatnot, and they're all in my face. This fan is annoying. So I'm ringing up these people, this man and this woman. They got 2 little kids. Well, as I'm ringing up their stuff, the fan blows a little hair over by my nose, and it tickles my nose, and it makes me sneeze. Well, I back up, okay, and I covered. Look, I covered, and I sneezed on my shirt right here. The look on this woman's face was absolutely mortifying. Like, I sneezed, and she backed up with her child. She would not speak to me. She refused to take her receipt. You would have thought that I licked her child in the eye with a confirmed corona in my saliva. It was ridiculous. I mean, she wouldn't even talk to me. I said, y'all have a great evening. And she all but rolled her eyes at me as she turned away to walk away. Like, how dare I sneeze? Oh my God. Like, it was ridiculous. They made me go to lunch early, which absolutely aggravates me because that makes the rest of my shift that much longer. I'm the only one in my department today, so I couldn't go home if I wanted to. I mean, what are they gonna do? Oh God, nobody will be here to answer the phone. Guys, today really sucks. I'm so aggravated and I'm upset right now, really bad. I don't know what to do. They're also raising the prices of the toilet paper and the milk, and like, really, those of us who are struggling to just buy what we need, like, I'm not gonna even be able to afford oh my God. This whole panic thing it's getting out of control for real. I don't know what people are thinking, and honestly, I'm really mad. I'm really mad. It's a really crappy day. And I don't want to be here. It's not that I hate my job. I need like a 30-year vacation or something. I would like a real vacation. I would like the money to like take my son and my husband and I go somewhere nice, like, I don't know, go take my son to SeaWorld or something, or to the freaking zoo. God forbid I even try to leave and go somewhere right now if I could, because I don't know, everything's shut down everywhere, all the nursing homes. People can't go visit their family members, their elderly grandmothers and stuff. Like, if they were to get sick and pass away, like, you can't even go say goodbye. How sad is that? My cousin's wife had posted, and she said that, like, all these kids that are staying home from school, they should have their kids do, like, draw pictures and write letters to nursing home residents and mail it into them so they have some sort of outside communication, which I think is great. And I really wish people would watch these videos and really see this and hear this and maybe do something about it, because these poor people that are locked up in these nursing homes and stuff, they don't deserve to be isolated from the world like that. Oh, and a lady, she was here. She bought 2 packs of toilet paper. And not even big packs. She just bought 2 small packs of toilet paper. And when she was going out to her car, some people approached her and made some comments to her and took the toilet paper out of her buggy. Like, it's happening. Like, what? This is unreal. I don't know. I just thought I'd get on here and I am all kinds of just distraught right now. My eye is twitching uncontrollably. It's driving me insane. All right, well, let's try to finish this day. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but man, freaking stupid. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.